In FieldEx, an asset is any piece of equipment, machine, vehicle, or tool that you need to track and manage. It's different from a spare part. Assets are long-life items with serial numbers, service history, and depreciation like a forklift, generator, or coffee machine. Spare parts, on the other hand, are consumables. FieldEx can manage assets you sell, the ones you rent, or the ones you service for customers. Every asset record stores key details like status, locations, warranty dates, and job history. You can link assets to customers and sites and see all the work that's been done on them. Assets can also be grouped by category or connected in parent-child structures, such as a vehicle and its engine. From the record, you can update condition, monitor performance, and schedule preventive maintenance. With FieldEx, you always know where each asset is, who it belongs to, and how it's performing, giving you complete control over your equipment.